The following segment is sponsored by Salt Lake Community College. As women expand their interests in non-traditional careers, Salt Lake Community College is providing a path to success. One such student is Kate Poulsen, who is with us today. Katie, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so tell us about the degree you are earning right now from Salt Lake Community College.
So currently I'm working to pursue my associate's degree in welding, fabrication, and inspection, and I'll be done here in May 4th.
Okay, so you are graduating next month, so congratulations.
Thank you.
In order. What got you interested in a career in trades? What started that?
So I kind of grew up, a lot of the men in my family were in the trade, so I grew up around that environment. My dad and my uncle are actually both fabricators in a local shop. And so I had always seen it happening. Around 10 years old, my dad kind of introduced me to the welding aspect. So I kind of just merged through with my family.
All right, so you did have experience in welding before you got into the program.
Yes, I actually had a job. I started 15 and then 16. It was like an internship at 15. And then 16 I was getting paid in the welding shop. I did everything, a lot of prefab stuff, so just little stuff, but it was a really great introduction into it.
So what she's saying is she is very talented. That is what she is saying. Why did you choose Salt Lake Community College, and how has that experience been?
So I actually chose the community college because I was doing research. I had my gap year, and so I was like, if I'm going to school, I want a degree for the trades, and not a lot of schools were offering an associate degree, and so even surrounding states weren't really offering what I was looking for, and so when I found the community college, I was like, that's what I want. And not only that, but SLCC really did fit into my budget and everything. And then when I was doing more research for the community college and everything, I found there were a lot of scholarships available, which just enticed me even more.
There you go. Okay, what was your first day of school like?
Nerve-wracking.
She sighed. Nerve-wracking. Why was it so nerve-wracking?
I mean, I was working for 2 hours before I had my class, and so I was just like thinking of every worst case scenario. I was like, oh, what if the instructor doesn't like me? Like,
we all go there.
Yeah, I was like, everything, that could go wrong, I was thinking of. So I had kind of drove into the parking lot before class, before work, and I was like, okay, pulling up the campus map. I'm like, okay, well, let's see, I guess this is where I need to go. And so I walked in, and I was like greeted amazingly. My instructor actually, his mom was in the trade, and so we really bonded through that and like became really good friends, and I still talk to him. He's retired now, but like it's been an amazing experience. It's the best decision I've made in my life.
So you were so nervous, but it turned out to be the exact place where you needed to be. Okay, where can we go to learn more about the programs at SLCC?
So if you go to their website, slcc.edu, and just type in welding, that's how you find it.
Well, Katie, you are such a star. Thanks so much for coming in today.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.